In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos with HeyGen. First, go to the HeyGen website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the sign-up process. Next, once you're inside the dashboard, click Create Video to start a new project. After that, choose a video template or start from scratch, depending on the type of video you want to create. Now, select an AI avatar. HeyGen provides a variety of avatars that can present your content in different styles and languages. Next, enter the script you want the avatar to speak. You can write the script yourself or generate one using an AI tool such as ChatGPT. After that, choose the voice, language, and other settings for your video. Now, review the preview and make any adjustments to the script, avatar, voice, background, or layout. Next, click Generate Video and wait while HeyGen creates the final video. After that, review the completed video and make any final edits if necessary. Finally, download the video or share it directly using the options provided by HeyGen. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create AI videos with HeyGen. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.